In global geopolitics, power protects sovereignty. Military strength shapes influence and deterrence. It supports diplomacy and deters aggression. Force credibility amplifies a nation's voice. Preparedness safeguards national interests. Security enables prosperity and trade. The U.S. has held military preeminence for decades, built on sustained technological superiority, naval power, cyber warfare, air combat systems, and land combat systems. The roar of supersonic jets signals intent. Tanks on the horizon, Project Resolve. Backed by vast industrial and intellectual power, warfighters are equipped to win. This film explains jets, tanks, and missiles. The fighter jets that own the sky. The M1 Abrams that dominates land. And missiles that strike with precision. Innovation fuels the edge. Immense sustained funding underwrites risk. Doctrine integrates tech into decisive power. Platforms like the F-22 Raptor, the M1 Abrams, and the Tomahawk. Steel and circuits, and brilliant minds. Skilled hands build at scale. Elite operators apply lethality with precision. The pursuit of next breakthroughs never stops. Own the skies, control the battlefield. Air superiority shapes every domain. U.S. jets are more than weapons. They are networked sensor nodes. Gather, process, and share data in real time. Seamless data to every shooter and sensor. F-22 and F-35 fuse stealth, speed, agility, and advanced avionics. Stealth is low observability, not invisibility. Penetrate, strike, depart undetected. Appear as a bird, or not at all. Shaping deflects radar energy. Advanced materials absorb returns. Special coatings reduce signature. Physics engineered for survivability. Detection ranges shrink dramatically. F-22, the premier air superiority fighter, optimized for air-to-air dominance. Super Cruise, supersonic without afterburner. Thrust vectoring yields extreme maneuverability. Unmatched stealth profile. Virtually unbeatable in a dogfight. APG-77 sees hundreds of miles. Targets detected long before detection. Guides others' missiles from the shadows. A silent hunter directing the pack. It changes aerial warfare calculus. Quarterback of the sky. F-35 dominates multi-role missions. A flying supercomputer with sensor fusion. God's eye awareness for the pilot. Air-to-air, check. Air-to-ground, check. Electronic warfare, check. Shares data with forces on the ground, and with ships at sea, and with allied aircraft. It multiplies force effectiveness. Staggering R&D investment drives leaps. Advanced composites reduce weight, RCS. Radar-absorbent coatings are guarded secrets. Millions of lines of mission software. Systems integrate into one machine. Tech advantage helps bring pilots home. For the USAF, the sky is sovereign. Dominance sustained by 24/7 readiness. Continuous test, refine, upgrade cycles. Superiority is engineered daily. On land, the main battle tank is the Fist. It punches through lines and absorbs hits. Delivers precision firepower at will. For 4 decades, the M1 Abrams, a symbol of American ground dominance. 70 tons of steel and advanced tech. Its edge rests on 3 pillars. Survivability, revolutionary armor, mobility, incredible acceleration, lethality, devastatingly accurate fire. Chobham armor layers protect crews. Ceramics and composites resist penetrators. Classified steel formulations add strength. Other classified materials complete the mix. DU layers boost KE resistance. Countermeasures break enemy targeting. APS detects inbound rockets and missiles. It destroys threats mid-air, protective bubble. Survivability builds crew confidence. Confidence translates into lethality. Honeywell AGT 1500, 2500 horsepower. Turbine out-accelerates heavy diesel piers. Breathtaking acceleration under armor. Over 45 miles per hour on road. Reposition fast. Outmaneuver slower foes. Hit, move, and strike again. Quieter signature helps achieve surprise. M2556A1 smoothbore is brutally precise. M829 APF SDS pierces modern armor. Kills at miles, day or night. Laser range finding for exact distance. Thermal sights ignore smoke and darkness. Stabilization enables accurate fire on the move. Rapid, repeatable precision under stress. Proficiency proven in exercises. Undisputed king of land combat. Crew teamwork multiplies lethality. Decades of upgrades keep it ahead. Reliability and crew effectiveness dominate. Abrams remains the benchmark. Jets own the sky. Tanks own the ground. Missiles are the long-range spear. America projects power across continents. Accuracy, range, versatility define the arsenal. Hit specific targets from hundreds of miles. Intercept ballistic threats high above Earth. Neutralize high-value targets rapidly. Dismantle enemy infrastructure precisely. Protect allies with layered defenses. BGM-109. Tomahawk. Iconic precision. Launched from surface ships and from submarines. Long-range, all-weather capability. Flies complex low routes to evade radar. Guided by GPS and terrain matching. Navigates valleys and ridgelines. Strikes with incredible accuracy. Can be retargeted in flight. Loiters for the optimal moment. Ideal for first strikes on defended targets. Patriot. Cornerstone air. Missile defense. Phased array radar, plus command control. Multiple launchers, rapid response. PAC-3, smaller, more agile. Destroys by direct collision, ensures complete warhead kill. Proven repeatedly in real combat. At the apex, Minuteman III ICBM. Hardened silos across the Midwest. Global reach in under 30 minutes. The US operates in a league of its own. Others field formidable systems. Near peers have advanced platforms. But the gap is in integration and doctrine. US systems work together seamlessly. Su-57 and J-20 look strong on paper. Stealth believed less comprehensive laterally. Engines and avionics lag a generation. US pilots see a fused battle space. Others still parse raw data streams. T-14 Armata is revolutionary in theory. In practice, delays and reliability issues. Type 99A is capable but less proven. Abrams is battle-tested at scale. Upgrades honed by real combat. Russia fields vast missile families. Hypersonics present new challenges. China invests in carrier-killer missiles. US edge, multi-layered defenses. Offensive missiles renowned for accuracy. US outspends top competitors combined. DARPA prevents and creates surprise. Hypersonics, AI, breakthrough materials. DARPA birthed ARPANET and stealth. Industry giants drive innovation. Thousands contribute specialized tech. Each generation leaps beyond the last. The gap is hard to close. By the copy arrives, US tests replacements. NGAD, the sixth-generation successor. Tech is only as good as its operator. US invests in relentless training. Pilots train against aggressor tactics. Tank crews battle in realistic scenarios. Every move recorded, analyzed, improved. Mission Command empowers initiative. Combat validates the technology. Stealth struck C-2 with impunity. Abrams outranged enemy armor. Precision missiles paralyzed defenses. Armored speed seized Baghdad centers. Vision, funding, training, and lessons learned. An integrated system of systems. Power deters aggression and reassures allies. The US wields the spear and the shield, already mastering emerging domains. Conceptualize, fund, and field. On repeat. Hard power underwrites diplomacy and ideals. Preparedness is the greatest safeguard of peace. That is why no nation can beat the US in jets, tanks, and missiles.